Hello there, welcome back to updates. Right now we have a severe thunderstorm warning for portions of our county. 6 mile per hour wind gusts are possible. Right now we have a severe thunderstorm watch issued ahead of this line of thunderstorms. It's going to continue to track off to the south. Also, we have a list of severe thunderstorm warning, flash flood warnings. As we have a monsoon ongoing across portions of California, Nevada, and Arizona. And right now it's really also heading to New Mexico and Texas. Right now we're seeing a couple flash flood warnings as well. Also heading further to the east, looking at a couple severe thunderstorm warnings and for 6 mile per hour wind and penny-sized hail. Well, this one is for 6 mile per hour winds. Also, looking at fire risk for tonight, we have a slight risk across portions of Kansas, Oklahoma, and Colorado. Overall, I'm expecting that to be downgraded to a slight risk. Tomorrow, general thunder, and then day 3, general thunder. But for tonight, we have isolated dry thunderstorm risk across portions of Oklahoma, California, Nevada, Utah, Idaho, Wyoming, and Montana. And also elevated fire danger across portions of Nevada, Oklahoma, California, and Oregon. I don't know why I want to say those two. And then day 3, we have a critical fire danger across portions of Wyoming and Montana, elevated across portions of small areas of North Dakota, South Dakota, Wyoming, Montana, Washington, Oregon, California, and Nevada. Isolated dry thunderstorm risk across portions of California, Nevada, Oregon, and also Washington, Idaho, Montana, and Wyoming. Day 2, we have 40% chance of low relative humidity and wind across portions of California, Nevada, Oregon, Washington, North Dakota, South Dakota, Montana. 10% chance of dry thunderstorms across portions of Washington, Oregon, Idaho, and also Montana and Wyoming. And day 4, I have an isolated dry thunderstorm risk, 10% across portions of Idaho, Montana, Washington, and Oregon. 40% chance of 40% chance of fire danger across portions of Nevada, California, Oregon, and Washington. And day 5, we have 10% chance of dry thunderstorms across portions of Montana, small areas of Idaho and Wyoming. 40% chance of low relative humidity and wind across portions of Montana, California, Nevada, and Oregon. And the day 6, probability too low. Day 7, probability too low, and same with day 8. And excessive rainfall, we have a slight risk of excessive rainfall across portions of Arizona and New Mexico, and marginal risks around the areas. In another area, slight risk of excessive rainfall across portions of Louisiana, Oklahoma, and Nevada, Mississippi. And then also another slight risk area across portions of New York, Connecticut, and Massachusetts. End of day 2, across portions of North Carolina and South Carolina and Georgia. Slight risk, and another slight risk across portions of Texas and Louisiana. Okay, day 3, we have a marginal risk across portions of the Four Corners in the southeast. Looking at seas, we have Felicia still active right now. Expected to still continue to weaken rapidly, really. Weaken pretty slowly. And then we have Alamo as well. Expected to head east, remain a tropical storm until Friday around noon, where it's expected to be degrade to a tropical depression. And to the JTWC's outlook, we also tracking INFA and 10W. INFA active right around here. I don't know. But with INFA we have expected to continue to head off to the east. The west, and expected to peak probably before Taiwan at around 85 knots. And before making landfall in China, its potential landfall in China, it's gonna be expected to weaken to around 75 knots, with 10W as well across the portions of near southern China, southern coast, and right now expected to make basically a loop. It's gonna be stalling out, it seemed, but expected to strengthen to around 55 knots at landfall, then curve out back to sea and regain tropical storm force winds around 18Z on the 23rd. So apart from that, it's really it, and goodbye.